This video will be about foggy windows, what causes them and how to deal with it. Why foggy windows can be annoying? Well, actually, having no visibility is pretty dangerous, and trying to wipe down while you are driving is even more dangerous. So what causes foggy windows? We have the term cold bridging, which is a difference in temperature inside and outside of your car due to a kind of insulation problem. This can be caused by, for example, a windshield that has been changed with a bad seal. So this way you will get difference in temperature and you will get foggy windows. Another possibility is a humid object in your car that causes the foggy windows. This can be floor mats that, for example, have been heavily cleaned with water and the humid is still coming out. A last one can be that you try to play the Titanic scene inside your car, but that's a different one. A good solution for foggy windows is anti-fog. Of course, when you put this on your window, it's really important you have them prepared pretty well. We made a good video about it, how to clean your window, so check it out here. And now let's put anti-fog on the window. So as you have seen in the video, it's quick and easy install. It's a good band-aid, but it will never be a permanent solution. You have to change, or you have to find the cause of your problem in the first place. I hope you liked this video. If you have any comments, write them down below. See you in the next one. Bye.